Hello student, let's try to understand a problem student. A very easy problem student. The question, which of the following correct representation of given molecular equation of ionic bond? In all the cases you see student, this is the Cr2O7, that is K2Cr2O7. Here is the Cr2O72 minus, this is also Cr2O72 minus, this is Cr2O72 minus, this is also means the all the options whatever is given, that is what the reaction of the dichromate. Now student, first of all let us learn the concept. If you are talking about Cr2O72 minus ion, so during the reaction it changed to Cr3 plus student, Cr3 plus, right? And now how the its function student, suppose if you are adding the I minus, so it will oxidize to I2. If you are adding what student, NO2 minus, so it will oxidize to NO3 minus. If you are adding student H2S, so it will oxidize to sulfur student. Okay, if you are adding Br minus student, so it will change to Br2. Next student, if you adding that is oxalate C2O42 minus ion, it will convert into CO2. Next one, if you are treating the ferrous ion Fe2 plus, it will convert into the Fe3 plus. So these are what student, these are the reaction. What reaction student? That is oxidation reaction of dichromate, right? Now student, you check with the any of the reaction. Okay, so when it is the Cr2O7, it is changing student in the acidic medium, it will convert Cr3 plus, that is 2 chromium are there, so here also 2Cr3 plus, 7 oxygen is there, that is going to be 7H2O molecule, simple. And hydrogen how much raised to the 14, so here is 14H plus student, this is 14H plus. Now you need to check the number of electron student, what side how much is there, we have to add the electron. So if you see the right side here, how many are there student, 2 3 are 6 electron. Here you see how many are there student, 2 negative 14 positive, right? So means 12 positive are there, so you need to add the 6 electron. So if you are adding 6 electron, that will be the both side the number of charges will be equal, so plus 6 electron. So this condition you need to find. Okay, this arrangement you have to check, and rest of the ions you already know, that is in which it is going to oxidize. So let us see, we are going first one is the not ionic equation. First one itself it is wrong student, because it is not ionic, because the question they are saying, which of the following correct representation of given molecular equation in ionic form. So okay, this is the equation, right? The first one is the equation itself, so there is no problem. This equation is given, first one they are saying that is which is correct in the ionic form for this equation, right? Now let us try to understand here. Let us try to see the first one student, what is the first option is there. In case of first option, Cr2O72 minus 14H plus 6 Fe2 plus 6 Fe3 plus, the first itself is correct student, first itself is correct. Here you see why the second is not, SO4 2 minus is there, so it is converting into SO4 2 minus only, and Fe2 plus is converting into Fe3 plus, but number of the charges here 3 Fe not possible. How much? 6 Fe is possible. Why is 6 Fe possible? Here you see student, let me balance Cr2O7. okay, this one I am writing, kindly check student. Cr2O7, this is there, then Fe2 plus are there, Fe2 plus, and now you are changing into what student, Cr3 plus Fe3 plus, Fe3 plus. Now change in oxidation state, how much is there student, here is the 2 minus is there, so plus 6 oxidation state, 6 to 3, so that is gain how many electron student, gain 3 electron. So per 2 atom, if you want to 2 atom are there, so multiply by 2, 6 electron. Now if you talk about the iron, how many are there student, loss 1 electron, but here the gain and loss should be equal, so we need to multiply by 6, so it is also 6 electron. So what is going to obtain student, Cr2O7 2 minus plus 6 Fe2 plus, here is what is there student, 2 Cr3 plus, because here 2 atom are there, so we need to multiply here 2 Cr3 plus 6 Fe3 plus. Now, what other things you will see, student? That is how many here water molecule, because 7H2O is there, 7 oxygen is there, so 7H2O, and here will be what, student? That is 14H plus. So this is the balance equation. Now you can match this with the given format, student. So how many Fe is required, student? 6. So here 3 is there, so obviously it is wrong. Cr2O7 2 minus 7H plus 6 Fe2 plus, and Cr3 plus 6 Fe3 plus is there, right? But here is not balance. If you see the potassium is how much are there? 2 potassium are there, here 1. So this is not balance. Last one you see, student, 6 Fe2 plus 3 Fe2 plus. So 6 Fe and 3 Fe, that is wrong. So correct option is, in all aspect, the correct option is going to be the option number 1, student. Thank you.